Canadian Heavy Equipment Technicians. Your next big adventure awaits. Are you looking for more than just a job? How about an unforgettable experience working in the US while taking your skills to new heights? With a full TN visa sponsorship, this is your opportunity to work for a top employer, gain international experience, and start a new chapter in your life. We're looking for 5+ years of experience with excavators, bulldozers, or loaders, expertise in diagnosing and repairing hydraulic, electrical, and mechanical systems, English proficiency, experience using diagnostic software and tools. Why make the move? Live and work in Texas with a TN visa, receive a competitive salary in US dollars, gain global experience, and work with latest machinery models. Experience a new culture, new challenges, and new opportunities. Apply now to live your American adventure. We have limited spots available.